Welcome! In front of me I have a Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. Once the settings open, find the option called General and tap on it. Here scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the option called Display and select it. And here you should see the option called Brightness. Tap on it, and now we have the list of brightness levels, and we have low, medium and high. Select the one you like and then tap on it, and the brightness will be applied. I don't know if we can spot the difference between them. It's barely visible, as you can see, but select the level of brightness you like, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.